Hey guys, welcome again to Adija's Kitchen. Today we are making delicious meat pie with all the goodness in it. Please make sure to watch this video to the end because there's going to be a lot of key ingredients that you need to use to make authentic Nigerian meat pie. With this size and quantity of the meat pie, we're going to be using 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Then add 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix the dry ingredients together with your flour sifter or strainer and set aside. Another key point is that we are going to be mixing ice cold liquids together. So here is my ice cold eggs. I'm going to be using 2 eggs. Make sure to separate it in a different bowl and go ahead and take out all the necessary stuffs in the egg that you need to take out. Add half cup of evaporated milk to the egg. You can use any kinds of fresh liquid milk or even powdered milk and then add a little bit of water to it. For the richness of my meat pie, I prefer to use evaporated milk or any kinds of liquid milk as opposed to using powdered milk and adding water. Set the liquid mixture aside, then go ahead and add your ice cold butter to the dry mixture. Now mix the butter and the flour together, but you want to be gentle with it because you don't want any chance for your mixture to start getting warm and that will melt the butter completely. So this right here, you want to do it gently until you get to this consistency. Gradually add your liquid mixture into the dry mixture, and at this point you want to gently knead the batter or the dough. You do not want to put too much energy on it in order to avoid it from getting warm. You would want the dough to remain as cold as possible. If your dough is not as cold as you would want it to be, after you finish mixing the dough, you will want to let it set in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes. Cover the dough with your kitchen towel or your cling film and set it aside to set for 45 minutes. Now it is time to make the meat pie filling using 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, crushed onions, garlic and ginger. Let's say for a better taste of your meat pie, you want to use garlic, even if it's just 1 clove. Go ahead and add your minced beef. And then once you add it to the cooking oil, you want to go ahead and continue to stir it. You want it to be as crumbled as possible. Guys, you really want to make sure that the meat is completely crumbled to this point. You do not want it too thick because that will dent your meat pie dough when you are filling it. Now add 1 teaspoon of bouillon and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of thyme and 1 teaspoon of rosemary. Guys, these are the key ingredients to making rich and tasty meat pie. Continue to cook and stir it while also making sure that the minced beef is completely crumbled to this consistency. Now add diced potatoes and stir together properly. Add beef stock or chicken stock to the sauce, then stir together properly. Cover and let it cook on a medium heat for about 5 minutes. At this point, as you can see, there is no more liquid left in the sauce, which is how you want it. Now set your heat to low and then go ahead and add in your carrots and your chopped Korean chili pepper. So mix it all together, cover it and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Stir it together, and at this time it's cooking on a low heat. Go ahead and add in your spring onions or green onions, then mix it together properly. Continue to stir together, and as you can see, the sauce is completely dry. There is no much liquid left in it, but there is still running oil. So because of this, you're going to go ahead and add a little bit of all-purpose flour to give it that thickness. This will help stop the running of the oil, and when you are filling your dough does not get soggy, and it actually stops the dough from breaking out. The sauce is ready. Set it aside for about 20 to 30 minutes to cool off while you go ahead to take care of your dough. So what do you do at this point? Just take the dough out and measure the dough, then divide it into equal parts and knead each of the dough one at a time. The shape of your meat pie depends on the shape of the dough that you want to create to fill in. Because we are making a traditional meat pie, we are going to make our dough a round shape to give us that traditional look that we all know. Add the filling to one part of the dough, then go ahead and apply water around the edges, and then flip the other parts of the dough over to the filling. Watch as I am doing it, guys. This is as simple as this. So once you have done that, use your hand to kind of like put it close together, making sure there is enough room in the batter so that when the meat pie is cooking, as it's rising up, it gives it enough room. So now go ahead and use your fork or whatever to seal it together properly. It is as simple as this. So I am showing you this end part of it, and I'm also going to be showing you if you are to flip the other part of the dough towards you. If you have gotten to this point of the video, please do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Please understand that your like, your feedback and your reactions gives me more motivation to want to continue on this journey with you all. So we were able to make 14 pieces of this meat pie, but this tray could only take 10, and this is what I am showing you now. So now go ahead and apply your egg wash to the meat pie. Now go ahead and ventilate the meat pie. The reason why you're doing this is that while the meat pie is cooking, it's going to rise, and if there is no ventilation, the meat pie may erupt. Transfer the meat pie into an oven set on 317 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for about 40 to 45 minutes. So here is the freshly baked golden looking meat pie. Guys, don't forget to watch our suggested video. Bye.